haven't even talked to you guys during the baby shower because it was just so hectic, and it was only from 12 to 3. It was so crazy, but I still have my hair and my makeup done from the shower, and now we're actually running to a restaurant to celebrate my cousin's birthday. I hope you guys got to see the dress, and we had a really good time, and I was just very thankful for everybody that came and hung out with us. And my best friend from out of town is here, so we've just been hanging out with her and just catching up and just really trying to be in the moment. So now we're gonna go to Tapas, and if you're from the Rochester area, it's like one of my absolute favorite restaurants. So I'm so happy my cousin is having her birthday celebrations there. Okay, I think we woke up at like 6:30, 7 in the morning.
6:30.
Been running around non-stop, but it's, you know, it's over in a good way. The baby was really blessed, and I was very thankful for all the people that came to celebrate our son. It was very nice. You guys can see my eyes. I kept it very simple because, as you guys saw, the dress is like blue with lots of tools. I really wanted the dress to be the focus, and I wanted the makeup to be really light. But of course, I'm wearing my Estee Lauder foundation, which is bomb. It stays on my face all day long. It is like one of my top 3 favorite foundations. I love it. It gives me like the best coverage. Ugh, it's like ride or die. Like never does me wrong. So I will talk to you guys later, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the restaurant. Happy birthday to you. Dios te bendiga, que reine la paz en tu día y que cumplas muchos más.
Siempre lo mejor, siempre la vida, que lo bueno que no se quede la vida, que no se pierda, no. Igual yo sé de dar azúcar, me llama de